Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we just picked up 3 BMW Z3s and we're going to be using almost all of them to be fixing our Z3 coupe. So the first one we picked up is the same color and we're going to need the hood off of it and the front bumper, but might need some paint work and they do need a good wash. But other than that, we'll part it out and make our money back.
And now for the next car, we have another 2001 Z3 3.0. This one has a 5-speed in it, so we'll most likely be swapping our car. But we may leave that up to you guys if we should leave it all original and leave it as an auto, or if we should do a proper transmission in it.
This right here is a 4-cylinder car. We bought it just because it was pretty cool. It's ready to drift, has a hydro, bucket seats, roll cage and everything, and it's run and drive. So it's ready to drift, so hopefully we can drift it in one of these upcoming videos.
We'll go ahead and start this one up for you guys because this sounds a little rowdy.
That thing's way too loud. Alright guys, so we went ahead and walked around all 3 of the cars, but before we get started on any of them, we're going to go ahead and give all 3 of them a good clean, and then we're going to pull the red one inside and get the car completely stripped and take what we need for our car and part the rest out.
Got the cars washed up, and the goal for today is to get this car stripped down, and if we have time we want to pull the front end apart on the Z3 coupe that's in the back, and hopefully we could talk to the frame guy and see if he could squeeze us in for next week.
Alright guys, so we're moving right along. We got almost the whole car stripped. We got the rear end dropped out and the motor dropped out. And all we have left is the interior and a few body panels. So let's get that finished up and get this car put outside and ready for scrap. It's the next day here and this thing's in pieces, but it's almost completely stripped. We got a few more parts. We have these rollover bars we're gonna go ahead and pull off in the soft top because it's good, and the rest of it's probably trash, but we have a big mess on our hands. So let's go ahead and finish cleaning up this area and then finish stripping the car. Alright guys, so we got that car all stripped down, got it outside already. And then we have a pretty big mess on our hands, so we're gonna go ahead and finish cleaning all this up and go ahead and take a few things off of that Z3 because we're gonna go ahead and get the frame pulled on it next week. So let's go ahead and start cleaning up, and then we'll start taking apart the radiator and the front end, and then take it to the frame guy next week.
Since the other car is out of the shop now, we're going to start working on this one. Our frame guy has put us on a schedule for early next week. So hopefully by the end of next week, we'll be attempting to put the front end back together on this car. Alright guys, so today we finished pulling the radiator out and the rest of the front end of this car. It's ready for frame work on Monday, and the frame guy told us to leave the core support on. He's going to pull it all so that it'll all pull together, and we have a bumper support and core support laying here that we're going to give to him. So please stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next Saturday when the next video drops.